If you're looking for something to paint that's not only beginner friendly but also great fun to do, then you are at the right place. Today I will show you how to paint loose flowers in very easy steps. So let's get started. As the first step, I'm doing a very light base layer of the flower using very little of watery pigment. I'm using gamboge yellow from my Camel artist watercolors. For the second step, some more of the same pigment. The consistency of the pigment is a little thicker this time. As the third step, I clean my brush, use a paper towel to take out any extra water and then apply it on the flower. This will soak in the excess water from the flower and some pigment also. And after drying, give a very nice layered look to the flower. Now as the fourth step, I introduce a complementary pigment, bright orange for this flower, and some more of my base pigment, that is gamboge yellow. Now I leave it for the paper to soak in all the extra water, and meantime come to the second flower. So I repeat the steps here. Light coat of the watery base pigment, vermilion hue. Second step, some more of the same pigment. It became a bit too watery, so I have to first let the brush absorb some excess water and then repeat the step. Third step, that is the clean brush step, which will soak in the excess water and some pigment and give a layered look to the flower. Fourth step, same plus a complementary pigment and leave it to dry for some time. So my main pigment for this flower is vermilion hue red, and the complementary pigment that I have used is gamboge hue yellow. I return to my first flower and give a coat of the complementary pigment again. So these are the basic 4 steps of painting this kind of a loose flower. You can increase the number of steps if you want to use more colors in the same flower or want to give some more layers to the flower. It all depends on you. So it's easy and great fun, isn't it? It's not necessary that you paint the flower in 2 pigments only. You can use as many pigments as you want for the same flower. This is just an example that I'm showing you. You can always keep coming back to the flowers or adding any further layers that you wish to. So I paint some more quick flowers and a bud like this. Here I paint the sepals using sap green pigment. So after my paint work is done, I thought of doing the further enhancements using my 0.9 mm black gel pen. You can even use color gel pens for this work. That will also look very nice. And in case you don't want to use a pen in your painting, you can do this using a size 0 or size 1 round brush also. As an alternative, you can even use colored pencils or Staedtler pencils for this work. That will also give a very beautiful effect. So we can always use different mediums in the same painting and achieve certain looks very effortlessly and very easily. I think this cute pen work has really added a lot to the painting. So after this pen work, I thought of enhancing my cute painting by giving some yellows and some greens to the stems and the leaves. And finally, some quick splatters of white and golden acrylic paint. I choose acrylic over watercolors here, as acrylic colors are a bit thicker and they give slight dimension to the splatters. With watercolors, the splatters will look flat. So guys, our cute little easy watercolor floral painting is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you liked it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, stay safe, keep happy, goodbye.